Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about fexofenadine. If you're one of those who suffers from sneezing, itching, watery eyes, or nasal congestion, fexofenadine could be your best friend. It's an antihistamine that helps relieve allergy symptoms. It can also be used for chronic hives in both adults and children. Are you interested in knowing how it works? Fexofenadine blocks histamine, a substance our body produces when we have an allergic reaction. By blocking it, those annoying symptoms are reduced and your quality of life improves. Now let's talk about how to take it. For adults and children over 12 years old, the normal dose is 60 milligrams twice a day or 180 milligrams once a day. It's important that you always take it at the same time, and it doesn't matter if it's with or without food. If for some reason you forget a dose, don't worry, don't take double. Just stick to your normal schedule. Like all medications, fexofenadine can have some side effects. The most common are headache, dizziness, and nausea. Now, if you have more serious reactions like difficulty breathing or swelling, seek medical help immediately. And remember, if you are allergic to fexofenadine or have kidney problems, do not take it without first consulting your doctor. To sum up, fexofenadine is a good option to treat allergies and hives. Follow your doctor's instructions and take the correct dose. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about health topics, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.